Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Cadillac XT5 Premium Luxury featured in Manhattan Noir Metallic with a Cirrus interior. Under the hood sits a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, backup camera, power liftgate, as well as a power sunroof, forward collision alert, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have memory seating, powered windows and mirrors, liftgate controls down below, as well as the main Bose speaker. Taking a look at the seats, down to the bottom left here, you'll find the power seating and power lumbar, and we can hop inside. Just to the left is the power park brake as well as the head-up display. Taking a look at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our cruise control as well as the forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and heated steering wheel. And on the right side we have our cluster as well as audio controls. Taking a look at our infotainment screen, starting off with the audio, it comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. We also have turn-by-turn directions from OnStar. And we can also connect a phone using either Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Throwing it in reverse, here is our backup camera and the HD surround vision with a ton more options down below. Just below that we have our climate controls with heated and vented front seats for both driver and passenger. Some storage down below. Here we have our infotainment screen controls, 2 cup holders, and the wireless phone charging. Taking a look at the center console here, we have 2 USB plugins with storage up top as well as down below. Making our way up top, here we have the digital rear view mirror. Just above that, OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights, universal garage opener, and the power sunroof controls. Here is the sunroof. And here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. We have color matched mirror caps, door handles with keyless entry and a chrome accent, privacy tint on the rear windows, and we can make our way to the back. The back here, you'll find some Cadillac badging, of course, with the XT5 and all-wheel drive as well. To open up the back, we can simply double click on the key fob. It's going to pop open for us. We have a ton of storage space back here, lights on either side for added visibility, and we can use these manual controls on either side to drop these rear seats down, giving us even more storage. Not to mention, we have some hidden storage down below that houses the spare tire jack with some extra space as well. It's a very spacious rear, and we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door. Of course, have powered windows, cup holder with some storage space down below. Taking a look at the seats, we have a 60-40 seat split. And we can hop inside. The back of each seat here, we have magazine holders. In the middle are rear climate controls, 2 vents, some added storage, and down at the bottom, a USB with a USB-C plug-in. Up at the top, handles paired with a dome light, matched on the other side. And in the middle here, we can go ahead and drop this down to reveal an armrest with 2 cup holders. We get a great view of the power sunroof. And here's the view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2020 Cadillac XT5 Premium Luxury. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. We hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.